If you live in South Florida, hurricanes are a way of life. After their backyard fence was damaged, Jane and Michael reached out to Dan at Fencing South Florida, who not only sells fencing materials, he builds them as well. In fact, it's a one-stop shop.
Hi, my name is Dan Cascio, owner and proprietor of Fencing South Florida. We're a true wholesale to customer company. Come check out our factory. I have all the raw material here for our aluminum products, and you can see in the background is some finished product there. On this side of the factory, we weld up all our chain link products and steel products. Over here at this station, we're fabricating all the aluminum fencing that you see in the back here. And if you go back over here, you'll see a CNC routing machine. It routes PVC, and it's actually routed the fence that we're going to be putting in today. Hey, Jane and Mike, how are you?
Hey,
nice to see you.
Finally made it.
Yeah.
Hey.
All right, I can't wait to start the project. I want to just go over just 3 little things with you. This gate isn't centered on the area, and I wanted to know if you wanted to move it over or not.
I think right here is fine.
You like it right here?
Yeah,
Good
perfect.
entranceway?
Good.
This plant is dead over here, and it's in the way. So I'm going to chop it out, and then I'll replace it with something nice for you, though.
Perfect.
Okay?
Perfect.
And then the last thing is that this fence looks, the land looks level, but it truly isn't. And I want the fence to look nice and straight, so there might be a little gap over here, and we could fill it in a little bit, and I'll still make sure that it's the pool code.
Okay,
So,
perfect.
and that's pretty much it. I had to take out this plant, and I felt bad, so I'm going to redo her garden for her a little bit.
Dan suggested that they use PVC to build the fence because it's more resistant to the South Florida climate than wood is.
Hey, Dan.
Hey, Jane.
This looks great.
Thank you.
I'm feeling like a little bit guilty. You know, we're kind of a DIY family. I'm wondering, is there anything we can do?
Well, I have 2 choices for you.
Okay.
You can help us load all that debris onto the truck over there,
I don't
or
think
maybe
so.
you can help us put it in a section. I'll show you how to do it.
Let's put it in a section.
All right.
That'd be great.
Got it there? All right.
Cool.
There you go. Just got to plumb the post. All right, guys, pack it up. They're going to finish it up.
Thanks for letting us try.
I think things are moving right along. As you can see, we're just about leveling out the land. The fence actually used to end about right here, and we extended it all the way back. I think they're going to be happy with it. I went ahead and bought a couple extra plants for them and to dress up the little backyard for them. They're really good people. I hope they like it. Welcome to your new backyard.
All right.
Wow, it's beautiful.
I think we hit all the bullet points.
Great.
Actually, we moved it up a little bit and gave you 2 more sections here and opened up the space a little bit.
It's great. It's great.
I was able to reuse a lot of your existing foliage and pruned it up nice. And this area over here, I did have that casualty, but I replaced it with a ponytail palm. And
Wow, it's fabulous.
2 sable palms. They're very slow growers, so there's not a lot of maintenance.
Perfect, perfect.
And then remember I told you about the line. We leveled out the whole line, so you got more height and more privacy now.
It looks fabulous.
I hope you love it as much as me.
House.
I love it. Thank you so much. Good hug.
Here we are after the fence is in. I think it was a success. We had a great day. The crew knocked it out of the park. The McCarthys loved it. I couldn't ask for a better time, and I had a good time doing it. They got a little more than they bargained for, I think, with some of the landscaping, but that's nothing out of the ordinary.
Wow, this has been such a great day. Dan and the team, they put a fence up and landscape. The yard couldn't look better. We get to enjoy it with our children and our grandchildren. I couldn't be happier with this team and everything that happened today.
Done so fast, prompt. You know, they were a great team, very professional. It looks beautiful here. It looks like a totally different yard, totally different house. It really does.
For more information, visit their website at fencingsouthflorida.com.